Good morning, class. Today we will delve into the fascinating world of translation. Translation is not just a linguistic process, it's a bridge between cultures and ideas. Let's start with some theories of translation. Can you tell me about Eugene Nida's definition of translation?
Nida defined translation as reproducing in the receptor language the closest natural equivalent of the source language message, first in terms of meaning, and secondly in terms of style.
Good, Sarah. Professor Baker also defined translation. She said that translation as a process of negotiation between texts and between cultures. It's not just about transferring words from one language to another, but about communicating across cultural and linguistic boundaries. Does anyone know the difference between domestication and foreignization?
Domestication aims to make the translation closely resemble the target culture, while foreignization preserves the qualities of the source culture.
What are some translation methods we can employ? Direct translation, literal translation, and communicative translation are some of the methods we can use.
What about translation techniques? Are there specific techniques for different types of content?
Yes, for literary works we can use techniques like free translation, literal translation, and adaptation. Now let's discuss how to translate well from English to Indonesian. It's essential to understand the cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions of both languages.
How can we ensure that the essence of the original text is preserved in the translation? Is it about finding the right words or capturing the intended meaning?
It's a delicate balance of both. The words must convey the meaning accurately while resonating with the target audience.
What role does context play in translation?
Does the context of the source text always have a direct equivalent in the target language?
Sometimes, context might need to be adjusted to cater to the understanding of the target audience. It's a creative process. That's right, Adam and Sarah. Translating is not just about words, it's about conveying the message effectively. And with that, we conclude today's session. I look forward to your translations for the next class.